Hi friends, welcome back to the Wonder Pals. Today, we're learning about something super important, washing our hands. Did you know? Tiny germs can hide on everything we touch. Yikes! But don't worry, we can fight them off. Germs can make us feel sick, but there's a simple way to fight back, washing our hands with soap and water. Let's learn how to wash our hands like pros. Step 1. Turn on the water and make your hands wet. Step 2. Add some soap and rub your hands together. Don't forget to get the bubbles going. Step 3. Scrub everywhere. Between your fingers, the back of your hands, even your thumbs. Keep washing for about 20 seconds. That's like singing the happy birthday song twice. Step 5. Rinse off the bubbles and dry your hands with a clean towel. You did it! And you're done. Sparkly clean hands ready for play, hugs, and yummy food. Remember to wash before eating. See you next time with more fun tips from the Wonder Pals. Keep those hands clean.